What's up guys, over here I have the T900 Ultra smartwatch. Particularly this is the T900 Ultra 2, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this smartwatch, showing you everything that comes inside of the box and setting it up all together. I'll be showing you how to connect it with your phone and experiencing some of the interesting features that actually comes with the smartwatch. And without wasting much of your time, let's quickly go ahead and unbox the smartwatch over here. And now that we know everything that comes inside of the box, I'll proceed to show you how to set it up and connect it with your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. Now first things first, you actually have to go ahead and find out the app that your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch actually uses. Usually what you would do is to just go over to the list of apps on your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and then over here you're going to see a QR code scanner app. Just go ahead and select it and then scan the QR code over here using your phone's camera, and you should be able to find out the app that your own T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch actually uses. In my case over here, it is the Find smartwatch app. So once I scan the QR code and open it up with my browser, you're going to find out that it is going to load the Find smartwatch app over here for me to download and install. Yours might be different. It might be the Watch Pro smartwatch app or the Fit Pro smartwatch app, whichever one it is on your smartwatch. What you just want to do is to go ahead and download this app over here into your phone. So you want to basically just go ahead and click on the download button from the iOS App Store or from the Google Play Store, depending on the phone you're using. So I'll just go ahead and click on the Google Play Store download over here. This will redirect me to the Google Play Store, and then from the Google Play Store I can actually just install the app directly from here. And once the app is downloaded and installed, you want to proceed to set it up. So click on the open button on your phone. Now go ahead and give the app all of the permission it requires. So click on allow, click on allow, click on allow. Just continuously click on allow, and now you'll be required to sign into the app. If yours is actually a different smartwatch app, you may not be required to sign up, but if you get the sign up page on your own T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch app, just go ahead and sign up using your Google account or your Apple ID if you're using an iPhone. But first things first, make sure you actually check on the privacy policy over here, and then just click on the sign in with Google option to sign in with your Google account. And now I am successfully signed in. Now you also want to make sure you turn on your Bluetooth and your service location. So from the top of your phone, you want to make sure that Bluetooth is now turned on, and then you also want to make sure you turn on the service location. So over here you can literally see my service location or location. Go ahead and turn on both of these so that we can properly connect the smartwatch app to our T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch over here. Now on your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, you also want to make sure you turn on Bluetooth as well. So go over to the list of apps on the smartwatch from over here, and then you just want to go ahead and look for the Bluetooth feature. You can literally find it over here. Alternatively, if you cannot find it from here, you can just from the home of your T900 smartwatch, you can swipe up and you should be able to find the Bluetooth option. In my case, it is basically just here, so I'll just press over to the Bluetooth button and then make sure that Bluetooth from this place is actually turned on. Once Bluetooth is turned on, try to pair and connect both devices together. So you want to click on the go to set button from the home of your T900 smartwatch app. Click on go to set, and this is actually going to take you to the notification settings of your phone. So you want to select the Find smartwatch app or whichever app it is that your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch uses. Select it and then make sure you turn on the allow notification access permission from over here. Now once the allow notification access permission is now turned on, what you want to do is to go back to the Find app or the app that your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch uses, and to pair both devices via Bluetooth. Now what you want to do, from the top you're going to see this watch icon over here. You want to go ahead and click on it, or alternatively from the bottom you're going to see the Me tab. and then you're going to see the option to search for devices. You basically just want to go ahead and click on search for devices, and it will automatically start to search for available devices it can actually connect to. If it requires you to give it permission to use your location, just go ahead and give it that permission. Click on apps permissions and then click on location from over here. Click on why using this app and you're good to go. Now you want to go back to the app and it should be able to find the name of your smartwatch. As you can see, this is mine over here. I'll go ahead and select it just like so, and now it is trying to connect. Just give it some few seconds, and just like so, both devices are now successfully connected. You're also going to see the pop-up asking you to pair both devices via Bluetooth as well, so make sure you pair both devices by clicking on the pair button over here, and both devices should be paired via Bluetooth at this particular point. And at this point, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and customize every other thing to your taste. So first of all, if you want to be able to get your Facebook, WhatsApp and other social media messages and notifications from your phone to your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, what you can actually do is to go over to the devices tab from over here. So click on devices, and then you want to just come over to the message notification settings over here. Select that. Now from over here, you can just select and toggle on any of the social media you want to be able to receive messages and notifications from your phone to your T900 Ultra 2. So once Facebook is turned on, I should be able to get all of my Facebook messages and notifications. The same thing for WhatsApp, the same thing for Twitter, the same thing for Snapchat and every other social media over here. In addition to that, if you actually want to be able to change your wallpaper of your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, what you can actually do is to go over to the dial settings. So from the Me tab, you're going to find the dial settings over here. Select that. Now scroll down until you get to the DIY dial over here. Select that as well. Now you can just go ahead and click on the select picture. Click on select picture, and then give it permission to access your device. Now go ahead and select any picture you want to use as the wallpaper or watch face for your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. In my case, I'll just scroll down and select this picture over here, crop it the way I want, and then once I'm done, I'll just click on the check button at the top. Now I can also choose where I want the text on the picture to be, so I can bring it downwards over here, then click on the check button at the top again. Now just go ahead and click on the save and use option, and automatically this particular wallpaper or watch face will start sending to our T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. And once it is completed, you can now see that we have now been able to change the wallpaper or watch face of our T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Also, if you want to be able to make and receive calls, the process is quite simple. On your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, you want to go ahead and look for the call feature or the call icon or app. Select it, and then just go ahead and click on phone. Now call any number you want to call, and once you're done, click on the green icon to make the call, and automatically the call is also going to be made on your phone as well without any problem. And as you can see, it's basically just made the call on my phone. Other interesting features you might be able to get once you go over to the devices settings on your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch app, you're going to find the Find My Device option or Find My Watch option over here. And once you click on it, your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch will start to make a noise, enabling you to be able to find the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch whenever you misplace it. Finally, if you want to change the time settings, you can actually do that from over here. So you can change from a 12 hours to a 24 hours from over here, and it is going to reflect on your T900 Ultra 2. If I turn it off, it is also going to turn off on the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch as well. If you ever want to change the time or set the time on your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, all you just have to do is to connect it with your phone, and it automatically just uses the time and date that is already set on your phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.